Here's a green pool we walked up on. A customer called us up to give an estimate. Somebody else did the leak detection. They marked out where the cracks were. However, we don't take anybody's word for anything. We had it drained out, cleaned out, misted and mapped. This is how we got the structural repairs done. Check it out. So this is the pool we walked up on. Again, it was green. It had a report from another company, but again, we can't see anything. So what we got to do, drain it the old way, clean it out, get it all cleaned out, get it bleached out so that we're working in a decent clean environment anyway, and it can be cleaned again. Now we have a stain around this pool that was from sitting for a long time with it half full of water. We're going to take care of that at the end with an acid wash, but we map and mist our cracks. When we rinse, we mist them. It shows us the outline of the cracks that we then mark with a crayon or a wax pencil. After that, we're going to do all of our cutouts. Again, we're going to sink it back. We're going to take a long cut to either side of the crack and watch how we're going to do a staple job here. We're going to speed it up for you so we don't bore you with the actual chip out. It is a lot of work. You got to do what you got to do. After we chip it out, we get it all cleaned out, and we're going to get ready to set our templates, mark it out again, and set our staples back a little bit more. That's what we're going to show you that we do right here. Here's the actual crack as it got wet. It's going to show itself. We set our templates, we mark everything out. We're going to drill our holes and we're going to chip back a little bit for the templates, not as much on a regular pool. Now we're going to set our staples. We're going to set it with the square in, tap it in, and then we're going to get into torquing. We're going to torque 22 pounds on this pool because it's a gunite pool, shotcrete pool, same thing. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to cover our windows with spec mix. After we cover it with spec mix, we get those staples covered nice, and then what we're going to do is we're going to waterproof. So here's a waterproofing product that we actually use in the whole cutout. So again, if we have any failure, we have no leakage whatsoever. This is our actual patch that we do. We're going to expose it. Wait till you see how nice this finish is going to be. We're going to try to match up with the same rock. Once we clean out the cream, we're going to start blending in. And this is what the actual pool looks like. There are patches that you are not actually seeing here. This is an area of the patch of the big cutout that we actually did. And these are other areas that were patched. Again, there's one that's underwater that you can't see there, but look how real nice this pool looks like from start to finish. So when we misted and mapped this pool, that's going to show us everything. It's kind of like an x-ray for a swimming pool. We can't do that when the pool is green. That's why we did it this way. While we were there, we saw another issue with the skimmer. That's going to be done in another video series. For more information, visit Leaktronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.